Good morning. I want to talk to you today. Scientific evolution. And we should respect every scientist. Charles Darwin and many others who came in this world and did their job. And they have proven to us scientifically that we have come from animals. It took millions of years. And what we have done, by taking this evolution memory, we have become something else. But the whole United States has become an intellectual mind. And that's what we are born with that. And I know the first day when the baby is born, especially my daughter, when I turned her upside down, that was 1973. Within 5 to 10 seconds, she has to breathe. And she took the first breath, and every cell of her body was lighted. I can see the redness in every cell of the body. And that gave her, through this evolution, through that energy, 1% of consciousness. 99% she was not conscious. And that's what you all have to become, totally 100% conscious to this existence. And that's what we're talking about, scientific evolution. Every scientist, every person who is a science born, who is a doctor, who is an engineer, who is an architect, and who may be judge or any other profession, doesn't matter. They all have developed intellectual knowledge. But they all have to get back to that where they need to become 100% conscious of this existence. And the existence is calling all of us. And we should respect that existence, and that's where we come from. And that evolution, this is scientific in nature. And I tell you, our mind is a heap of impression, heap of thoughts, and the body is a heap of food. My father learned in 1941, and that's what we're talking about, total scientific. And he became totally alert, totally conscious, and he spent 1 week there, that this life is given to us free of charge. It's a gift. It is coming from this existence. And the body is a heap of food, and the mind is a heap of impression. And what we have done, we should respect that evolution, scientific evolution, and heal ourselves biochemically, bioenergetically, bioimagination, because that's what we have, a healing power. The instinct mind which we have, the instinct body which has come from animals, which has come through evolution, it is totally infallible. There is nothing can go wrong with this. You can see the breathing, you can see the heart beating, you can see everything is happening through the unconditional consciousness. And that's what all of you have to learn and become, each one of you. You have to request to this existence and become a part of this existence. So we all are become conscious and conscious. You become what we call a watcher. Each of you become a watcher. And as you become a watcher, you become conscious and totally become alert to yourself. Do not blink. Just become conscious and totally become alert and totally become what we call awareness. And don't blink your eyes. Just watch. Any reaction take place in your body, whether it's a positive or negative, good or bad, do not react. Do not jump. And that's what evolution is teaching us. That's every science is teaching us. Our gastrointestinal tract has 40 billion bacteria. And that is what we're talking about, probiotic. We have 10% of cells in our body which have come from animal origin. But we cannot differentiate. But we have become a human being. And we have become a life. But we have forgotten about life, and we have become totally conditioned for this mind and through this body, and we think we can heal ourselves. But don't kid yourself. Become conscious to this existence and become a part of this existence and respect this existence. The time has come now that evolution is crying and the existence is crying. Respect it, because the animals knows only about life. They don't know nothing about existence. We human beings know about existence. And we should respect that. And we should be all thankful that the existence is teaching us that we should become totally conscious to this existence, that become 100% consciousness. And the only way you can become conscious is if you become a watcher. And we have a program at our farm, 6871 Bee Ridge Road. And we will make you a life navigator. In 1 week, you can learn. That is called from the mind. That is, mind is a heap of impression and the body is a heap of food. You come here and we will be happy to teach you. You can call this number even, 941-914-914. Number is 941-914-2719. Call this number. Or you can go to our website, rejuvenexfamilyfarm@gmail.com. And we will be happy to give you this book called The Cancer Cure Yourself Without Chemotherapy and Radiation. And we will always request you to read this book thoroughly and work with your family doctor and your health practitioner so you can become a totally scientific evolution to yourself. I wish you all a happy day. God bless. Namaste. Amen.